Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can open a workbook in money.com. So in order to open your Microsoft Workbook in money.com, you have to press these three dots, then go to more actions, press import items. Here click on browse your files, select your workbook. So this is my workbook that I want to use. This is called financial sample and its extension is XLSX. Press open, and as you can see the file has successfully been uploaded. Now press next, and here you can choose column from that Excel spreadsheet to map your data. So choose a column which will appear as the item name, the first column into your board. So let's say I want to select this product column as the first one and press next, and now you can map the columns. So for segment, map this column to the relevant column in money.com. I don't have any relevant column to this one, so I'm gonna skip it. All I have is this date column that I'm gonna map. It is already mapped, as you can see, and I don't have other columns yet, so I'm just gonna press next. And here you can skip items. For example, if you like some columns to skip, some items to skip, you can add them here. And let's say I want to skip this name column. I selected. You can override existing items, by the way, but I'm not gonna mess with it because I don't need it. And now just press this start import button and it will import your spreadsheet into money.com. Alright guys, as you can see, this financial sample 1 group has now been created into our board, and it has added a person, status, date, summary, email columns here, and there is no data in it because I mapped no data. But if you have relevant columns here, you can map that data into that column, and that workbook will open up with all of its data in money.com. So I didn't map the data, but I've just wanted to give you an overview, a tutorial of how it's done. So this is basically how you open a workbook in money.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.